Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the blade on your Dewalt Reciprocating Saw. So the model of saw I have is a Dewalt DW303 heavy duty reciprocating saw. It's a variable speed saw. It's a corded model. I've had this saw for about 5 years now and it works great. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is unplug your saw. We don't want to lose any fingers today. Safety is always important. Let's take a closer look at the blade we're going to be installing. These blades have a lip on the left hand side and there's a hole there as well. That's the hole that the screw goes through to hold the blade in place. We're also going to be using a 3/16 Allen wrench. On the saw itself, you can see the screw there. That's the screw you're going to be loosening off today. So take that Allen wrench and loosen it towards the left. I usually leave the screw in a couple of turns just so it stays in place. If the screw comes all the way out, don't worry about it. It's really easy to put back in. Once that's loosened off, just pull the blade right back out. If you look in the end of the saw there, you can see the hole it goes in and the end of the screw sticking down. So take your new blade and slide it back into that slot. Make sure it goes all the way in and the screw lines up with the hole on the blade. Now tighten that screw back up towards the right. Make sure it's good and snug. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos coming up. Have a wonderful day and take care.